All right, welcome to day three. You did it. You made it. You stayed focused. And you're wrapping up one of the key pillars of hitting 100K in 100 days. So, today we are talking about your sales resonance. So, sales resonance is not just your energy or how you show up, it's really about pricing properly so you can attract clients that are aligned. Because that really solves a 50% of, well, actually 60% of the issue that my clients have when they feel like they are not attracting the right clients for them. I look at their pricing. I'm like, so how are you pricing your services? How are you pricing your products? And oftentimes it's not the right price. So we adjust it. And this isn't just mean like, oh, it's low price. Sometimes it's too high because especially if I have clients that don't want to spend too much time working with clients one on one, I tell them to lower their rates. So it's not just me telling people hike up their rates or increase their prices. It's pricing properly to align with your goals for the 100K in 100 days. So today you're going to learn how to price your services, packages, programs, products to attract the right ideal client with your rates. So you have to think about the time commitment. Like I mentioned, if my client doesn't want to spend too much time working with clients one on one, they have to price properly. So you look at how long it's going to take you to develop the product, create the product, any risk, not only the time, but the risk involved with shipping products as well. Also look at the time it's going to take for you to complete the product, how much time is going to take for the session, post session, pre session. All that should be included into your rate. And then add at least 25% for just in case scenarios. So you also think about hiring too. I incorporate my budget for hiring my team into my rates as well. So I feel really good about my pricing because not only am I supporting myself, but I'm supporting my team as well. And I'm providing the level of service that is aligned with that price to my and transformation to my clients. So it feels very good. My pricing feels very good all around. And my clients who don't have an issue paying my rates. So this is just to walk you through of an example of how much it would cost you to work one-on-one clients or create digital products. So are you already charging the top end of your niche or um, your industry's scale rate is scale? So do you have the most expensive lip glosses on the market already? Do you offer the most luxuriously priced design packages already? Do you already offer do you have higher end priced digital products for clients? Like, are your notebooks, are your therapy books higher end? And so think about the qualifications to charge these high end prices. You have proven client results. So for me, if you notice, or if you've been following me for a while, you can see like for Just Get Your Shift Together, the Brain Camp, when it first came out, it was $500. Now it's $4,000. And that's because the number of people that have gone through the program already. I didn't just say, oh, and my goal with Just will become a $10,000 program in 2023. So I already plan how much I want this program to cost. So initially I started off low so I could get people in it and show them and prove that my system works. The skills and experience, the professional accreditation or certification, visibility in your field. Like I'm on all these podcasts, I've worked with the best. I'm referred to as an expert, I'm referred to as a thought leader. So think about these things when it comes to your price. Was your lip gloss mentioned in L? Was it used in a music video? Is your notebook used by the top CEOs in your industry? Are you a therapist to the stars? Those are questions that you can answer with this, and that also alludes to your pricing. And then you want to calculate the real world value. And so this comes easy for business coaches. So join my $2,000 group coaching program because you'll easily earn $5,000 with the strategies you learn. So it's very easy. And this is kind of why I focus on offering sessions for entrepreneurs. But you can be a weight loss hypnotherapist, like focus on helping people with their weight loss, specifically with impulsive eating. That right there, people, the real world value is high because now these people will no longer having anxiousness when it comes to food. You totally transformed someone's relationship with food and vastly improve their quality of life. That's actually really valuable. So it's not just it doesn't have to be, your business doesn't have to be helping other people with their business. If you improve anyone's quality of life, that is worth that has real world value. So are you saving them time? Are you saving them money? Are you making them money? Are you making them feel good? Are you making them feel safe? Are you making them feel happy? Are you making them feel more confident? That is real world value. And so, what does that confidence do for them? Are they now able to improve their social life, which will help them network and improve their opportunities when it comes to job placement? Like, what is the real world value? And so, this is when you're going to refer back to day two, the answers that you have in day two, to answer all these questions. And if you want, you can research similar offers. Sometimes I do that just to showcase to the client what they should be charging, especially if it's a client that's already that's charging way too low. And I really want to show them that other people can make money this way. And this is good for you to show yourself that people do make money being a self-love coach. People do make money being a fitness coach or weight loss coach, nutrition coach. This isn't something out of the ordinary. As an energy healer, this isn't something out of the ordinary. And also the middle of the road pricing, people try to stick in the middle. It's usually the wrong choice. For me, I'm either free or premium. So this is a free service. This is a free training that you have. And then you have the option to join my premium program. So either you're going to spend $4,000 to join me and just to do this 100K in 100 days training for yourself and your business, or $400 a month with the 12-month plan. And it's premium. So it's either way. So I'm not going to now sell you a $400 course that's going to get you through pillars two to three. No, I want you to either do one for free or all at a premium price. And so that's why I offer Get Your Shift Together. So in Get Your Shift Together, this 100K in 100 days plan, this is what we're going to be doing at the end of the month. We are going to be, so you're going to actually work with me live to ask me any questions that are custom to your business. And if you do pay in full for Get Your Shift Together Brain Camp, you do get a one-on-one session. So it's customized to you. But if you don't pay in full, you still work with me in a small group setting to get your questions answered and work through all 11 pillars of the 100K and 100K in 11 days to get you to that goal for 2022. We still have time in 2022 to get you that 100K. I really want everyone by October, November to have hit their six-figure goals. And people are really, it's amazing. Like, I have clients that joined just in February and they were like straight Eeyores. I call them Eeyores. Like, I don't know if this is gonna work. Now they're like on TikTok, they doing dances, going viral, selling out their one-on-one service. So now we're working on putting together a course for them. So it happens really fast. It's like once you make the decision, the universe really aligns. So with Get Your Shift Together, it's for entrepreneurs that are growing their business to multiple six figures. So it's best if you are an entrepreneur that has at least show that you can make $10,000 within your business. And so what I can promise you is once you join Get Your Shift Together, we can 5x your revenue in 5 months. So you're going to go from 10,000 to 50,000 within your first 5 months based on the strategies and the subconscious support that's available to you in the program. And if you're someone that is making 50,000 in business, we're going to help you get to 250,000. So you're going to go straight into the 100K in 100 days pillar. And so we'll work on two different products for you to get that 250. Now, if you're someone that has already hit 250 in business or 500 in business, we are going to scale to 7. So this is how you get to 750,000 or even a million in some cases. We're going to help you start to restructure your business because what got you to 250 is not what's going to get you to 7 figures. So you get access to all 3 levels, but you can work within those levels so you don't feel overwhelmed. And in addition to those conscious strategies that you'll walk through and those plans, those blueprints that you walk through this month, you'll also get 12 months of subconscious training. So you'll get sleep your way to 100K, sleep your way to 500K, sleep your way to 7 figures. You also have tap your way to 100K, breathe your way, breath work. We do all these subconscious trainings each. So you'll have a subconscious strategy each week to work through for 52 weeks. So you'll be supported. You'll be doing something to stay in alignment for 12 months in your business. And this work is usually like 30 minutes out of your day to stay aligned. So if you do pay in full, you get the 100K in 100 days intensive session with me. So we work together for 90 minutes to tailor your product or your service to your specific audience. We create this offer or we solidify a current offer, and then we create your plan, your 100K in 100 days plan, and then you just stick to it. Success on autopilot. This is as close as I can get to foolproof business success. Like, I was just like, how can I make it easy for people? Because this is what I wish I had. So this is it. Just get your shift together. And so since you did join me in this free training, and you stuck with me for 3 days, that shows that you have the drive and motivation. And I really commend you for taking that step. The first step is the most difficult, honestly. So if you're interested in joining us for the next live GIST workshop week, we work together for 5 days at the end of the month. And then after that, we do the 100K intensive where then we focus on the money and then you then stay aligned and then you stay aligned for 52 weeks. But each month we have live workshops. The next coming workshop is for building your business brain. So this is focused on ADHD management and anxiety management. And then in June, we focus on burnout. So it's a mid-year reset. May is actually manifestation month. So we focus on conscious, subconscious, and unconscious manifestation strategies. So you're going to have live workshops each month so you learn more things to push you further in business, but then you have a solid foundation that you can stick to. So if you have that need for novelty and newness, you have the new workshops each month. And if you have that need for stability, you have your set blueprint that you can stick to as well. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have any questions, just use the chat box on the website. We can answer it, and use this code to save when you join GIST. The link is right there on the side. So just click on it and join us. You can pay each month. but you get so much value, so much value. I've had people that started on the payment plans, but then they ended up just completing it because they already made their money back and more. And I love that for them, and I love that for me as well. But thank you so much for joining me for this 3 days workshop, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.